city, but I'm sure you will have a lot of fun in this activity.
Here's my commitment: next three hours, we are going to take you on a different journey. Journey is it could be a roller coaster to many of you.
There is fire station because safety is there, and this is an integrated utility area.
We have controlled gravity box. It's a futuristic technology. So we have better healthcare facilities here. Our residential place again run on the sustainable energies. Right? So everything you find as a better life and something where we want to settle is here in the city.
We have controlled gravity in the city. I mean, you have seen 4 or 5 cities, but did you see anything futuristic about it? I don't think so. It's a very futuristic city.
So, entire city is equipped by the solar system.
ऐसे मुंडी हिलाओ और बोलो अच्छा है अच्छा है.
You can see everywhere it is there, and we have kept in mind about the entertainment.
अच्छा हमको सिखा रिया है.
Entertainment as well. If you will see here, bar and cafe. Behind the schools, we have stadiums and horse riding available.
मतलब सब ठीक ठाक है. Very good.
And apart from this, metro is roaming around. You can see that helipad is there.
We're really impressed with the teamwork that everybody has put together. This is not something that all of you do every day, day in, day out. So you people took that pains, you people came together, applied some creativity to build it. I think we were really super impressed. So first of all, let's hear it for all of you.